Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare React versus Python. React is a powerful JavaScript library, specifically designed for crafting dynamic and interactive user interfaces, especially for single-page applications. Python, on the other hand, is a high-level, general-purpose programming language with a vast array of applications, from web development to artificial intelligence. Understanding their distinct roles is key to choosing the right tool for your project, as they often address different layers of a software solution. React shines as a front-end powerhouse, enabling developers to build complex and highly interactive user interfaces with remarkable efficiency. Its component-based structure promotes reusability and maintainability, making large-scale applications manageable. With its virtual DOM, React intelligently updates only the necessary parts of the page, resulting in superior performance and a smooth user experience. It is the go-to choice for crafting engaging and modern web applications. Python's versatility extends far beyond just web development, making it a formidable tool for backend systems, data science, and artificial intelligence. Its clear syntax and rich ecosystem of libraries, including popular web frameworks like Django and Flask, allow for rapid development of powerful server-side applications. For data-intensive tasks, Python's scientific computing libraries are unparalleled, providing robust solutions for complex analytical challenges and machine learning model creation. When deciding between React and Python, consider your project's primary focus. If you are building a highly interactive user interface or a single-page application, React is your ideal choice. For robust backend services, data manipulation, or machine learning, Python is the clear winner. Often, the most effective solution involves using both. React for the engaging front-end and Python for the powerful, scalable backend, creating a comprehensive and efficient system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.